If you change your own oil, or even if you just take your car to a shop, what you're about to hear might completely change how you take care of your engine from now on. After testing dozens of synthetic oils across thousands of miles, one result stood out, and it surprised even experienced mechanics. That oil everyone assumes is the best? It didn't even make the top 3. And the number 1. It's a brand most people don't expect, but it outperformed everything else in real-world tests of turbo heat, wear protection, and extended drain intervals. Today, I'm ranking the 8 best full synthetic motor oils based on turbo heat resistance, viscosity stability, used oil analysis, metal wear levels, sludge and deposit formation, cold start protection, mechanic feedback, manufacturer data, and industry certifications like API and ILSAC. If you want your engine to last 200,000, 300,000, even 500,000 miles, this is one of the most important comparisons you'll ever watch. And stay until the end, because number 1 goes against everything most drivers believe. Number 0. Why oil quality matters more than ever. Modern engines run hotter, under more pressure, and for longer intervals than they did just 10 years ago. Direct injection, smaller turbochargers spinning at higher RPMs, oil change intervals stretching to 7,500, 10,000, even 15,000 miles, and tighter internal tolerances. All of that demands an oil with extreme thermal resistance, high RPM stability, and the ability to deal with fuel dilution and contamination. And here's something most people don't realize. Many oils labeled full synthetic in the US are not truly synthetic in the chemical sense. A lot of them use Group 3 base oils, highly refined and effective, but not the peak of lubrication engineering. The best oils use Group 4, PAO, or Group V, esters, which offer superior thermal stability, better cold start lubrication, lower evaporation, and a much stronger protective film. Now let's get into the ranking, starting from number 8. Number 8. Castrol Edge Full Synthetic. Castrol Edge is one of the most popular oils on store shelves across the US, and for good reason. It delivers solid cold start protection, consistent wear control, and it's widely available at a reasonable price. In daily driving, commuting, highway cruising, it performs well. But under more severe conditions like extreme heat and turbocharged engines, we started seeing signs of varnish formation, moderate viscosity breakdown, and faster oxidation than expected. Straight to the point, it's a reliable oil for normal driving. But if you push your engine hard, mountain driving, towing, or performance use, it's not top tier. As many mechanics say, it's good, just not elite. Number 7. Valvoline Extended Protection. Valvoline tends to over-deliver for the price. In testing, it showed solid viscosity stability, above-average heat resistance, and low metal wear levels. Where it lost points was oxidation resistance under extreme stress and slight protection drop at very high RPM. In real-world terms, it's a very safe choice for drivers who follow proper oil change intervals and don't push their engines to the limit. Another strong point, low ash formulation, which helps protect catalytic converters over time. Verdict: smart, reliable, consistent, but not built for extremes. Number 6. Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic. Here things get interesting. Pennzoil Platinum is made from natural gas using Shell's GTL, gas-to-liquid, technology, resulting in an extremely pure base oil. In testing, it showed very low volatility, excellent sludge control, and noticeably cleaner engine internals. In turbocharged and direct injection engines, where levels were impressively low. The downside appears under extreme temperatures, where it showed slight viscosity loss compared to higher-ranked oils. Summary: one of the cleanest oils on the market. Perfect if you want to prevent carbon buildup and keep your engine healthy long-term, just not the absolute strongest under extreme heat. Number 5. Mobil 1 Extended Performance. Now we're stepping into premium territory. Mobil 1 Extended Performance is designed for long drain intervals and modern high-load engines. In testing, it maintained viscosity extremely well, delivered excellent wear protection, and showed minimal oxidation even after extended mileage. It's a strong choice for drivers who rack up highway miles or prefer fewer oil changes per year. Where it didn't quite take the lead was in the most extreme heat and continuous load scenarios. Verdict: Top-tier oil for durability and extended use. Not number 1, but very close. Number 4. Royal Purple HPS. This one is a favorite among enthusiasts. Royal Purple focuses on friction reduction and building an ultra-strong protective film. In testing, where levels were extremely low and high RPM performance was impressive. Many engines literally run smoother with this oil. Downsides: higher cost in the US, faster darkening, which is actually a sign of strong detergent action, and lower compatibility when mixing with other oils. Summary: excellent for spirited driving or modified turbo cars. Not cheap, but it delivers real performance. Number 3. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum. Now we're talking elite level. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum was one of the cleanest oils in the entire test. Zero sludge, almost no varnish, minimal deposits, and extremely low metal wear levels. Also made from natural gas, it shines in turbocharged and direct injection engines, keeping everything exceptionally clean even over extended intervals. The only area where it falls short compared to the top two is absolute thermal stability under extreme conditions, where PAO and ester-based oils still have an edge. Verdict: one of the best oils in the world for cleanliness and overall protection. In real-world driving, it's outstanding, just not the absolute king when it comes to extreme heat. Number 2. Mobil 8100 X-Clean Gen 2. This one is practically unanimous among European mechanics and performance tuners. It's widely used in turbocharged engines from BMW, Audi, and Volkswagen, and the reason is purely technical. Mobil uses an ester-based synthetic formula, and that brings a unique advantage. It naturally bonds to metal surfaces. That creates an extremely strong protective film, even in conditions where other oils have already started to break down. In testing, the results were impressive. Near-perfect wear control, zero foaming, extremely stable viscosity, and outstanding protection during the most critical moment for any turbo engine startup. In real-world use, this oil sits right between daily driving and track-level performance. Verdict: perfect for turbo engines operating under high heat. Ultra-stable ester base, but with a higher price and more limited availability in some US regions. It didn't become a reference by accident. Now let's get to number 1. And this is where most people will be surprised. Number 1. Leaky Moly Lightloff High-Tech 5W40. Most people expect the best oil to be Pennzoil, Mobil 1, Royal Purple, or even Pennzoil Ultra Platinum. All excellent, but none of them took first place in real-world, long-duration, high-temperature testing. The oil that shocked everyone, including experienced mechanics, was Leaky Moly. And it wasn't even close. Leaky Moly delivered the lowest metal wear levels, the best turbo protection, the cleanest internal engine condition, and the most stable viscosity of all tested oils. Now let's break down why. Leaky Moly combines Group 4, PAO, and Group V, ester, base oils, along with advanced additives like molybdenum, which drastically reduce internal friction. Here's what that translated to in testing. Extremely high thermal resistance. Virtually zero wear. Zero deposit formation in turbo testing. No internal varnish. Less than 2% viscosity loss. Zero foaming at high RPM. Best cold start protection of all tested oils. Better contamination control than Mobil 1 and Valvoline in extended use. In the harshest tests, the kind that literally destroy conventional oils, like sustained turbo inlet temperatures around 446 degrees Fahrenheit 230 degrees Celsius for 10 continuous hours, the result was almost unreal: zero sludge, zero deposits, and no meaningful degradation. In a 200-hour durability test, metal wear levels measured just 1.4 ppm, the lowest in the entire ranking. In practical terms, that means less friction, less wear, and significantly longer engine life. And the verdict from mechanics was straightforward. This is the only oil I've tested that left a turbo looking almost brand new after 10,000 miles. If more customers used this, half of turbo failures simply wouldn't exist. That's exactly why this oil is so widely used in high-performance German cars, DSG transmissions, high-heat turbo engines, and vehicles that rack up serious highway miles. It's not cheap, but it delivers exactly what it promises.